Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create buttons for list view. So what do you mean by list view? So if you see this page, here are some buttons and I will show you how to add one more button to this page. So for that, first go to setup. After that, click on the object for which you want to create the button. So here we are on the accounts object tab. So I will select the account object from object manager. So object manager, then account. After that, go to button links and actions. And here you have to click on new button or link. Here select list button. Also let's give some name to it. So I will give the label delete and the name will be delete. And after that you can select anything here. Currently I am selecting display in existing window without sidebar, and here I want to select the content sources visual for page, and I have already created one visual for page test. So I will select it and click on save. Now if we go to this page and refresh the page, the button will not be visible. Here you can see that button is not visible. So for that you have to go to object manager under that account and scroll down and click on list view button layout. Here edit this layout, and now you have to drag this delete button into the available button list and click on save. Once we save, now let's go to the page and refresh the page, and now the button should be visible. As you can see, this button is visible. So this is how you can add a button on list view page for any object. That's it in this video. Thank you very much.